New day, new room. Atlassian. Confluence CVE-2023-22515. Exploit to get admin access to Confluence Server and Data Center Edition. On October 4th, 2023, Atlassian released the security advisory regarding the CVE 2023-22515, a broken access control vulnerability with an assigned CVSS score of 10. The vulnerability was introduced in version 8 and of the Confluence Service and Data Center Edition and is present in versions 8.3.3, 8.4.3, 8.5.2. According to Atlassian, the vulnerability has already been exploited in the wild. An attacker can exploit the vulnerability to create additional account in Confluence with full administrative privileges. The attacker needs no prior information to exploit the vulnerability. The vulnerability is believed to enable another unknown attack vector and should be patched as soon as possible. So I've just started the VM, so we can pair this one. Confluence's initial setup. We running Confluence for the first time. We'll go through the initial setup, which allows you to configure some basic parameters, create an administrative account. The initial setup can be reached by navigating. So I'm almost there. Let me navigate to this tab real quick. Okay. If you try to access the initial setup, you won't be able to go through setup again, but it will be created with message stating the setup process is already completed. I cannot even go there like to just so. I am behind the user and password. Well, this is normal expected behavior, would normally not be useful for the attacker at all. Enter CVE. With the vulnerability allows an attacker to re-enable the initial setup process. In doing so, the attacker can go through the step of creating new administrator all over again. This is possible because Confluence is building using Apache Struts framework, which depends on the Xwork package. Let me see real quick what's Xwork package. Feature. Group related within a project because they look like themselves and thought, okay. Apache rules. Okay, so we have vulnerabilities in here also. Still used. Symfony, okay. So, Xwork allows you to define actions in a form of Java class Each action can be invoked through the URL, and the corresponding class will handle the request, do whatever action requires to emit the response. Let me see real quick here. Generic feature. Okay. Generic command, part and core. Flexible customization configuration based on simple interface allows you to use XML programmatic or even product integrated configuration, more command pattern, which can be customized and extended through the interceptors to fit any request response environment built in a type conversion and action properly valid using OGL. Have no clue what's it. Command around action interface. They define action class by implementing an action interface. Then X will set up execute. Your action is most widely known from the MVC framework called web walk. However, XWalk can be used by itself. So it's important to understand the XWalk layers and how actions are set up and executed. This section describes the core layers with XWalk, provides simple example action. Okay, so we have action interface, proxy interface, context, success, non-error. Okay. So now I can understand login action or as destination set up. You should immediately be redirected to clarify for actions navigate, so we can see that this is login action or as destination. Permission violation true. Permission violation false. Nope. Nothing. Okay. Method could be called by default. Calling get and set and set as via XWalk. We can also call get and set as in an action class by using URL specified an HTTP parameter with it. We can call get and set as in an action class by using URL specified in HTTP parameter with the chain of attributes we want to get set. An example, if login action class had setID method, we could invoke it via the URL. So we can see ID that is set to 123. Change get set to re-enable the init setup. The reported exploit takes advantage of server info action. The reason for picking this specific action is that we can build chain get status from it to set up configuration parameter that turns the initial setup on or off. If you analyze the code, server action class, you can see it extends the Confluence action support class. By doing so, it will inherit all the methods as well. One such method getter that returns the bootstrap status provider. We can see bootstrap status provider. Here is the class. Get bootstrap implementation get instant. Here it is, and it returns bootstrap provider. We can care about the bootstrap provider because it has another getter method we can use to review application implement, so it has get application config. As you have probably guessed by now, this object contains the application configuration, including the attribute that tells Confluence if the initial setup has been finished. Such attribute can be modified by using set in the application config class. So we have setup complete, and we can re-enable it. Just I've tried to do, but it was login, it was server setup. Server info action bootstrap status provider application config setup complete false. Very nice, we have success. So we just got this false setup. Now we can navigate to the this one. Let me navigate to this one, and here we go again. Is already completed. Return setup is already completed. Wait, what? I'll just set it to false. Setup complete false. Let me copy paste this bad boy. And we got success. So now already, okay. I don't see this one. Already completed. Let me see. Let me see. Now you can start using Confluence. That's it. That's it. Start. No. Further configurations. What a unpleasant surprise. You now can start, and we are now maybe I can nope. Very interesting, though I can. Okay. So complete false, create and set up. Set up. Start action. Way to go. Admin. HTML lock. Maybe admin 2. Admin. Save, please. Start using. Let me in. Whoa, we just got in. We just got in. Very nice, very nice. And I can copy this one. Who needs keys anyway? Don't match. Let me see this do. Okay. I promise. So now we have, as we have seen, exploiting the vulnerability is relatively straightforward and can be done manually using single request and regular browser. Even so, automated exploits are readily available. Chocapic developed one such exploit. I'm pretty sure I just butchered his name. But sorry, dude. Feel free to download it. Let me see real quick what's so special about his exploit. Download. On the other hand, if you need to test many servers to see if their vulnerabilities, Scarlet was developed by Eric Winter. It can be obtained on this. Eric Winter. Unlike JavaScript, this will not exploit the vulnerability but test it for. Only scans for this vulnerability. Action check. Let me see how this doing his scan. Blue, yellow, green. Atlassian. Scanning for versions. Proceed to scan targets. URL, product version, unknown. CVE JSON. Wait, what? JSON file. Save. Okay. Saves in JSON file. Okay. Let me see both of these. So this one is simple request, username, rest. Wait, what? Ability new. Okay. Let me see this one. And let me see this one. Get clone. Okay, deal. Conflu. Get clone. 1, 2, go. Another. Let me see. Requirements. Okay. close this one also. Good. Clone. I can write. Scan. Bit. Oh. Install requirements. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Let me real quick scan this one. Button, I guess 3. Nope. What? Print. Button 3. What do I miss? Beep. Let's say 3. Okay. No more on fire. Grab print. Let me see if it is also button 3. 3 and 6. 3 9. 9. Okay. 3 9. Maybe also in here it is 3 9. Nope. Can't help you. Let me try it for pip 3.9. Maybe I'm just missing something. Scan. Oh, URLs. F-U-R-L-T. What's T? Targets. Or URLs. Oh, results. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Targets and results. T. Nope. Let me try an exploit. Exploit normal target output file. Normal target output file. .txt. Okay, moving. Smoky mo. This is working, and the scan one is, or I'm misusing it, or it's not exactly working. Maybe I'm misusing it. Read the script name. User is. Wait, what? It creates. What is it? We are here, and user it creates is just listed. Let me see. Username, place, patch. Just run it. Please patch. So patching, detection. Should you have instance of variable version of Confluence, be sure to check for the following. Network access logs pointing to setup action. There is no reason for your regular user to request such URL after installation. Network access logs to server info action, bootstrap provider, and all the jazz with the setup complete false. Review your Confluence user, look for suspicious account. Remember of Confluence administrators group. Patching all vulnerable instances should be upgraded to the latest. List one of following version as soon as possible. 83.4.3.5.2. If upgrading is not possible, immediately access to the setup endpoints may be blocked as a temporary measure. To do so, add following security constraints inside the web app tag in security constraint web collection URL pattern. Okay. This will effectually restrict the access to setup. Remember that mitigation instruction shouldn't be considered to definitive patch, but only in interim measure. Servers should still be upgraded as soon as possible. Is Confluence Server version, let me see what version it is. Maybe I can see it in the dashboard. Okay. Okie doke. General configuration 3. Okay. What? So I can see 8.3, 0.3. Oh, no. Yeah. No. No. Wait, what? I can see it clearly as it's possible. Settings. Dude. Powered by 3. Okay. Oh, you are asking about. Okay, no. Yes. Let me check it once again. I'm not sure. Yes. Let's then. Yeah. Does applying mitigation action replace no? And we just done this room. Analyzed book access vulnerability in Atlassian Confluence Server data center that allows attacker to create new administrator in the vulnerable application. As we have seen, exploiting this vulnerability is trivial, making imperative to patch Confluence Server as soon as possible. The vulnerability has fixed in version 3.833.843.852. Any new version branch should be safe as well. Since vulnerability was found to be exploited in the file, check your service for indicators of compromise is also important. Remember that vulnerability has been likely used by nation-state actors as confirmed and by Atlassian in a regional security advisory. Be well and bye-bye. We are Venom.